ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, "Hello everyone. I am ChatGPT, and today I will be guiding Norman, the blind guy with a vision, and all of you history and geography explorers through 20 exciting multiple-choice questions about our world and its past. Play along, keep score, and see if you can beat Norman. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Question 1. Which ancient civilization is credited with building the pyramids of Giza? Option 1, Mesopotamians. Option 2, Egyptians. Option 3, Greeks. Option 4, Romans. Take a moment and think about your answer. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. The pyramids of Giza were built by the Egyptians, around 4,500 years ago during the Old Kingdom period. They remain one of the most iconic monuments of ancient architecture and engineering. Are you keeping up with Norman, history and geography explorers? Let's see if you got it right too. Question 2. What is the capital city of Australia? Option 1, Sydney. Option 2, Melbourne. Option 3, Canberra. Option 4, Brisbane. Take your time and think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, exactly right, Norman. The capital city of Australia is Canberra, not Sydney or Melbourne as many people assume. Canberra was selected as a compromise between the two larger cities and officially became the capital in 1913. Keep those world explorer brains working, everyone. Can you beat Norman so far? Question 3. Who was the first emperor of a unified China? Option 1, Qin Shi Huang. Option 2, Sun Tzu. Option 3, Confucius. Option 4, Liu Bang. Take a moment and think about your answer. Norman, what is your answer? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct again, Norman. Qin Shi Huang, the king of the Qin state, became the first emperor of a unified China in 221 BCE. He is famous for centralizing the government, standardizing weights and measures, and beginning construction of what would become the Great Wall of China. Fun fact for everyone, the famous Terracotta Army was created to guard Qin Shi Huang's tomb, with over 8,000 life-sized soldiers, horses, and chariots. Question 4. Which river is the longest in the world? Option 1, Amazon River. Option 2, Nile River. Option 3, Yangtze River. Option 4, Mississippi River. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, take your best guess. 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. The Nile River, flowing through northeastern Africa, is traditionally considered the longest river in the world at about 4,135 miles, though some measurements of the Amazon challenge that claim slightly. It has been vital for agriculture, transportation, and civilization in Egypt for thousands of years. Are you keeping up, history and geography explorers? Let's see if you got that one right too. Question 5. The Taj Mahal, a famous landmark and UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in which country? Option 1, India. Option 2, Pakistan. Option 3, Bangladesh. Option 4, Nepal. Think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, absolutely right, Norman. The Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India, was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is considered one of the most beautiful examples of Mughal architecture and attracts millions of visitors every year. Fun fact for everyone, the Taj Mahal changes color depending on the time of day, appearing pink in the morning, white during the day, and golden under moonlight. Question 6. Which country was formerly known as Ceylon? Option 1, Thailand. Option 2, Sri Lanka. Option 3, Myanmar. Option 4, Malaysia. Take a moment and think about your answer. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Sri Lanka, formerly called Ceylon until 1972, is an island nation in the Indian Ocean known for its rich history, tea plantations, and stunning landscapes. History and geography explorers, did you know that Sri Lanka was also an important hub for ancient trade routes between Asia, the Middle East, and Africa? Question 7. Which famous wall was built to protect China from invasions by northern tribes? Option 1, Hadrian's Wall. Option 2, Berlin Wall. Option 3, Great Wall of China. Option 4, Wall of Babylon. Think carefully. Norman, take your best guess. 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct again, Norman. The Great Wall of China stretches over 13,000 miles and was built over several dynasties to protect China from invasions, mainly by nomadic tribes from the north. It's one of the most famous architectural feats in history. Fun fact, contrary to popular belief, the Great Wall is not a single continuous wall, it's a series of walls, trenches, and natural barriers built over centuries. Question 8. Which European country is famous for its fjords? Option 1, Norway. Option 2, Switzerland. Option 3, Greece. Option 4, Ireland. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Norway is famous for its stunning fjords, which are deep, narrow inlets of the sea between high cliffs created by glaciers. These natural wonders attract travelers and photographers from around the world. History and geography explorers, keep those brains working. Fjords are not just beautiful, they've also shaped Norway's culture and history for centuries. Question 9. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II? Option 1, Vladimir Lenin. Option 2, Joseph Stalin. Option 3, Nikita Khrushchev. Option 4, Leon Trotsky. Think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Joseph Stalin led the Soviet Union during World War II, from 1924 until his death in 1953. Under his leadership, the USSR played a crucial role in defeating Nazi Germany, although his rule was also marked by harsh political repression. Here's a quick history fact for everyone. The Soviet victory at the Battle of Stalingrad in 1943 was one of the turning points of World War II and is considered one of the bloodiest battles in history. Question 10. Which city was historically known as Byzantium and later Constantinople? Option 1, Rome. Option 2, Istanbul. Option 3, Athens. Option 4, Alexandria. Take your time, Norman, what is your answer? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. The correct answer is Istanbul, which was historically called Byzantium and later renamed Constantinople before becoming Istanbul in 1930. It sits at the crossroads of Europe and Asia and has been a capital for both the Byzantine and Ottoman empires. We are halfway through the challenge. Norman's score so far is 9 out of 10. History and geography explorers, how are you doing so far? Are you ahead of Norman, tied with him, or trying to catch up? The second half of our world adventure is coming up, and it is packed with more fun and fascinating questions. Question 11. Which desert is the largest in the world by land area? Option 1, Sahara Desert. Option 2, Arabian Desert. Option 3, Gobi Desert. Option 4, Antarctic Desert. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 4. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT is still generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. The largest desert in the world by land area is the Antarctic Desert, covering about 5.5 million square miles. Even though it's covered in ice, it is classified as a desert because it receives very little precipitation. Fun fact, Antarctica is so dry that some parts haven't seen rain or snow for nearly 2 million years. Question 12. Which country has the most time zones in the world? Option 1, United States. Option 2, Russia. Option 3, China, option 4, France. Take a moment and think about your answer. Norman, what is your answer? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. The correct answer is Russia, which spans 11 time zones across its vast territory, from Kaliningrad in the west to Kamchatka in the east. History and geography explorers, keep this in mind, despite the United States having multiple time zones, Russia's sheer size makes it the country with the most. Question 13, which ancient civilization invented the concept of democracy? Option 1, Roman, option 2, Greek, option 3, Egyptian, option 4, Mesopotamian. Think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. The concept of democracy was invented by the ancient Greeks, specifically in the city-state of Athens around the 5th century BCE. Citizens could participate in decision-making, laying the foundation for modern democratic systems. Fun fact for everyone, Athenian democracy was limited to free male citizens, women, slaves, and foreigners were excluded, but it still influenced governments worldwide today. Question 14, Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa, is located in which country? Option 1, Kenya, option 2, Tanzania, option 3, Uganda, option 4, Ethiopia. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak at 19,341 feet, is located in Tanzania. It's a dormant volcano and a popular destination for climbers and adventurers from around the world. History and geography explorers, did you know that Kilimanjaro has several distinct climate zones, from tropical at its base to Arctic conditions at its summit? Question 15, which war was triggered by the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria? Option 1, World War I, option 2, World War II, option 3, Crimean War, option 4, Napoleonic Wars. Take your time and think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 2. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, not quite, Norman. The correct answer is World War I, which began in 1914 after the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria in Sarajevo. This event set off a chain reaction of alliances and conflicts across Europe. Fun fact, World War I was originally called the Great War because of its unprecedented scale and devastation at the time. Question 16, which country is home to the ancient city of Petra, carved into red sandstone cliffs? Option 1, Jordan, option 2, Egypt, option 3, Saudi Arabia, option 4, Iraq. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Petra, the ancient city famous for its rock-cut architecture and water conduit system, is located in Jordan. It was the capital of the Nabatean Kingdom and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. History and geography explorers, here's a fun fact, Petra is often called the Rose City because of the color of the stone from which it is carved. Question 17, which ocean is the largest in the world? Option 1, Atlantic Ocean, option 2, Indian Ocean, option 3, Arctic Ocean, option 4, Pacific Ocean. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 4. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, covering more than 63 million square miles, which is larger than all of Earth's land combined. It stretches from the Arctic in the north to Antarctica in the south. Fun fact, the Pacific Ocean contains the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, plunging nearly 36,000 feet below sea level. Question 18, which empire was ruled by Genghis Khan in the 13th century? Option 1, Mongol Empire, option 2, Ottoman Empire, option 3, Roman Empire, option 4, Persian Empire. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Genghis Khan founded and ruled the Mongol Empire in the 13th century. It became the largest contiguous land empire in history, stretching across much of Asia and into Europe. History and geography explorers, a quick fact, the Mongol Empire was known for its exceptional cavalry, communication system, and ability to unite vast territories under one rule. Question 19. Which European city is famous for its canals and is often called the Venice of the North? Option 1, Amsterdam, option 2, Copenhagen, option 3, Bruges, option 4, Stockholm. Take your time and think carefully. Norman, can you get this one right? 1. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, is famous for its canals, historic architecture, and vibrant culture. It's often called the Venice of the North because of its extensive canal network. History and geography explorers, did you know that Amsterdam has more than 100 kilometers of canals, around 90 islands, and over 1,500 bridges? It's truly a city built on water. Question 20. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu high in the Andes Mountains? Option 1, Maya, option 2, Aztec, option 3, Inca, option 4, Olmec. Take a moment and think carefully. Norman, what is your answer? 3. ChatGPT is generating a response. ChatGPT says, correct, Norman. Machu Picchu, located high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, was built by the Inca civilization in the 15th century. It's an incredible example of Inca engineering and architecture, with terraces, temples, and stone structures that have stood the test of time. That wraps up today's History and Geography Challenge. Norman scored 18 out of 20. How did you do, History and Geography explorers? Did you manage to beat him? If you enjoyed this session, leave your score in the comments and subscribe for more trivia challenges with Norman, the blind guy with a vision. Stay tuned for the next MCQ session. You won't want to miss the challenge we have in store. Are you ready to test your skills again? Screen sharing meeting control.